Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will learn about integers. So first of all, what are integers? It is an infinite series of numbers, both positive and negative, and 0 is also included in integers. Positive numbers such as +1, +2, +3 and so on, whereas negative numbers such as -1, -2, -3 and so on. Next we will see how we can write integers on number line. Now number line is a line that extends infinitely in both directions to the limitless. Here you can see in the picture 0 will be written in the center of the number line, whereas positive numbers will be written on the right side of the number line and negative numbers will be written on the left side of the number line. Now let's see the greater and smaller integers. The negative integers are smaller than positive integers. For example, 2 is greater than -2. Here you cannot see positive sign. If there is no sign with any integer, it means it has positive sign. Just like -3 is smaller than +3 or 3. Here you can see numbers on the left of 0 are less than 0, which are negative numbers, and numbers to the right of 0 are greater than 0, which are positive numbers, and 0 is neither positive or negative. Now we will see how can we write integers in increasing or decreasing order. So here we have a question: arrange the following in increasing order, and the question is -3 +4 -1 0 +2. We start arrangement from smaller numbers. As you know that the negative integers are smaller than positive integers, so we will write negative integers first. So our increasing order will be -3 -1 0 +2 and +4. Next question is arrange the following in decreasing order. So we know that positive numbers are greater than negative numbers, so we will write positive numbers first, and our order will be 3 1 0 -4 and -7. Now students, here we have a question from exercise 5a. In this question we have to write two possible integers for the placeholder, and our placeholder is greater than -2. Now you can see in number line that our greater direction is from negative to positive. So two numbers which are greater than -2 will be -1 and 0. Here is another example. Statement of this question is: two cars left Sialkot on the same day. One travelled 120 km towards Lahore, while other travelled 47 km in the opposite direction. Find the distance between the two cars at the end of the day. We will write statements first. So the distance covered towards Lahore is 120 km, and distance covered in the opposite direction is 47 km. So the distance between two cars will be 120 minus bracket minus 47 and bracket closed. Here we write minus sign with 47 because it is the distance covered in the opposite direction. So we put negative sign to show the opposite direction. When we solve this question, we will write 120 plus 47. Now as you all know that minus minus is equal to plus, so we will add both numbers. So the answer will be 167 km. So the distance between two cars is 167 km. That's all for today class. Thank you so much.